Greetings, Tech Explorers. Welcome to your ultimate guide in the digital world. We are Tech Explorer, your one-stop station for all things technology. Our mission? To make the digital world less daunting and more accessible to everyone. We cover everything from tech tutorials that simplify complex concepts to hands-on gadget reviews that help you make informed decisions. We also offer troubleshooting tips so you can conquer tech glitches with ease. Whether you're a tech newbie, a seasoned pro, or someone in between, we've got you covered. Our goal is to empower you to navigate the digital world with confidence. We believe that technology should be a tool that enhances our lives, not a hurdle that hinders our progress. So buckle up, Tech Explorers. We're about to embark on an exciting journey into the heart of the digital realm. Ready to embark on a tech adventure? Let's dive right in. Today, we're shining a spotlight on a gadget that's taking the tech world by storm. Imagine a world where your coffee pot communicates with your alarm clock. Sounds like science fiction, right? But guess what? The future is here with the advent of smart home devices. Today, we're going to delve into the magic of one such device, the Smart Brew. This isn't your ordinary coffee maker. It's a marvel of modern technology that's stirring up a whirlwind in the tech sphere. The Smart Brew is a coffee maker that's been reimagined for the 21st century. It's equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control it remotely from your smartphone. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. This device learns from your habits. It knows when you wake up, when you're likely to need that caffeine jolt, and it brews your coffee just the way you like it, all on its own. It's not just about convenience, though. The Smart Brew is designed with sustainability in mind. Its energy-saving mode kicks in when you're not using it, and it's built from materials that are both durable and recyclable. But what's truly impressive about the Smart Brew is its user-friendly interface. It's remarkably easy to set up and use. You can customize everything from the brewing time to the strength of your coffee, all with a few taps on your phone. Plus, it's compatible with both Android and iOS devices, making it a versatile choice for any tech-savvy coffee lover. From my personal experience, the Smart Brew has transformed my morning routine. There's something incredibly satisfying about waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, knowing that my smart device has taken care of it for me. The Smart Brew is more than just a coffee maker. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Now, being a cutting-edge gadget, the Smart Brew does come with a hefty price tag. But for the convenience and control it offers, it's an investment that's well worth considering. There you have it, a gadget that's truly ahead of its time. Stay tuned for more. Now, we're moving to the tutorial segment. Today, we're mastering the art of setting up a smart home device. It's a trend that's shaping our lives and homes, transforming the way we interact with our environment. Let's get started. The first step is to choose your device. There's a wide variety of smart home devices available, from smart speakers and thermostats to smart lights and locks. Each device serves a different purpose, so choose one that fits your needs. Next, you'll need to connect the device to your Wi-Fi network. This typically involves downloading the device's app on your smartphone and following the on-screen instructions. The process may vary slightly depending on the device, but generally, you'll need to input your Wi-Fi password and let the device connect. Once the device is connected to your network, it's time to set it up. This usually involves inputting your preferences into the device's app. For example, if you're setting up a smart thermostat, you'll need to input your preferred temperature range. Or if you're setting up a smart speaker, you'll need to link it to your music streaming service. Now, it's time to test your device. Try giving it a command or using its features to ensure it's working correctly. Remember, smart home devices are designed to make your life easier, so don't hesitate to experiment and customize the settings to suit your lifestyle. Lastly, it's important to ensure your device is secure. Most smart home devices have security settings you can adjust to protect your privacy. Make sure to update your device regularly, use strong passwords, and only share access with people you trust. And there you have it. Setting up a smart home device isn't as daunting as it may seem. It's all about choosing the right device, connecting it to your network, setting it up, testing it, and securing it. With these steps, mastering this tool should be a breeze. Remember, the digital world is at your fingertips, and with a little guidance, you can navigate it with confidence. Stay tuned for our next segment where we'll tackle some common tech troubles and their solutions. Encountered a tech hiccup? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In our digital world, running into tech problems is as common as finding traffic on a Monday morning. But just like how there's always an alternate route to your destination, there's always a solution for every tech problem. Let's tackle a few common ones. First up, the dreaded slow computer. We've all been there, right? You're trying to get work done and your computer seems to have taken a slow motion potion. A couple of quick fixes can solve this issue. You could try deleting unnecessary files, defragmenting your hard drive, or even giving your computer a quick reboot. Remember, your computer needs a break too. Next, the Wi-Fi that refuses to cooperate. It's like having a car without gas, useless. If you find your Wi-Fi acting up, try moving closer to your router. If that doesn't work, give it the old turn it off and on again treatment. If all else fails, it may be time to call your service provider. Now, onto the smartphone battery that drains faster than a tub with a leak. This could be due to a multitude of reasons. Maybe your screen brightness is at 100%, or you have a bunch of apps running in the background, or maybe it's just time to replace the battery. Start by closing unused apps and lowering your screen brightness. If the problem persists, consider a battery replacement. Lastly, the printer that just won't print. It's like having a pen with no ink. Try checking the connection cables, ensuring there's enough ink, and that the correct printer is selected on your device. If these steps don't work, it might be time for a new printer. So remember, tech issues are just like any other problem. They're frustrating, but they're solvable. And with a little patience and the right steps, you'll be back on track in no time. Remember, there's always a solution for every tech problem. Now, let's turn to your questions from our previous video. We've had some fantastic interaction from you guys. First up, we have a question on the compatibility of the latest smart home devices. Great question. Most of these devices are designed to work seamlessly with both Android and iOS platforms. They're also compatible with popular home automation systems. Next, we have a success story from a viewer who used our tutorial to set up their new gadget. Congratulations! It's always rewarding to hear about your triumphs in the tech world. Several of you asked about troubleshooting common software glitches. Excellent point. We'll be sure to cover this in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Finally, a big thank you to everyone who shared their experiences and questions. Your curiosity drives this channel and helps us all learn. Keep those questions coming. We love hearing from you. In our tech news roundup, here's what's been happening. The digital world is buzzing with the release of QuantumQ's new smartwatch. This innovative gadget promises a sleek design coupled with advanced health tracking features. It's a noteworthy update that has the tech community on its toes. In other news, the tech giant, Phoenix Tech, has made a bold stride in the realm of artificial intelligence. Their latest AI project, codenamed Project Phoenix, aims to revolutionize human-machine interactions. The industry is eagerly watching for the project's developments. Meanwhile, the annual tech conference, Digital Confluence, has unveiled its agenda for the upcoming year. From discussions on cybersecurity to the future of remote work, Digital Confluence promises to spotlight the most pressing issues in tech. In the realm of software, the popular design tool, DesignSphere, has released a significant update, enhancing its user interface and adding new features for a more intuitive design experience. Stay informed and stay ahead with Tech Explorer. That's a wrap for today's tech exploration. We've journeyed through the latest gadgets, unraveling the features that make them tick. We've delved into tech tutorials, breaking down complex processes into digestible step-by-step instructions. We've tackled troubleshooting, offering solutions to common tech hurdles, and we've engaged in a lively Q&A, addressing your queries and concerns. We also took a moment to catch up on recent developments in the tech world, highlighting noteworthy updates and trends. As we bid adieu to this digital expedition, let's look forward to our next adventure. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, exploring its applications, and demystifying its complexities. We'll also introduce a new segment where we'll spotlight tech pioneers who are transforming the digital landscape. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next tech journey.